Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. So, today we will learn three most confusing tenses in English: present perfect, past perfect, and future perfect. These three tenses are called perfect tenses because they shows a completed action. Let's understand them easily with rules, keywords, and examples. When to use it. When we use present perfect tense, when action finished just now. Action finished just now and result is in present. No fixed time given. When to use past perfect tense, when one past action happened before another past action. When one past action happened before another past action, the first action is called past perfect. When to use future perfect tense? When an action will be completed before a fixed time in the future. When an action will be completed before a fixed time in the future, we use future perfect tense. No fixed time given in present perfect tense. So, keywords. You have to remember these keywords. Already, yet, just, ever, never, so far, recently, lately, for, since. These are the keywords of present perfect tense. You have to remember these keywords. Before, after, when, by the time, already, because, till, then. These are the keyword of past perfect tense. By tomorrow, by next week, by 2026, by the time, before, till then. These are the keywords you have to remember so you can so let's learn the rules and structure of present perfect tense. Subject plus has, have plus V3. Example: I have eaten. Rule and structure of past perfect tense: subject plus had plus V3. Subject: I had eaten. Future perfect. Rule of future perfect is subject plus will have plus V3. Example: I will have eaten. Negative rule: subject plus has, have plus not plus V3. Subject plus had plus not plus V3. In future, subject plus will plus not plus have plus V3. Examples: I have not eaten. I had not eaten. I will not have eaten. Question or interrogative sentences. Rule of these sentences are has, have plus subject plus V3. Question mark. Had plus subject plus V3 plus question mark. Will plus subject plus have plus V3 question mark. Example. Have I eaten question mark. Had I eaten question mark. Will I have eaten question mark. Let's see some more examples. I have finished my homework. The train had left before I reached the station. The train had left is past perfect tense. I reached the station is past simple tense. Future perfect. I will have finished my work by 5 p.m. She has gone to market. I had eaten dinner when she called. I had eaten dinner. This is past perfect tense. By next year, she will have completed her degree. I hope you learned something new today. Don't forget